Ever seen an insect launch a chemical explosion? Meet the Bombardier Beetle. When threatened, it unleashes a boiling, noxious spray from its rear end. This beetle literally explodes on enemies. Inside the beetle's body, two chemicals mix in a special chamber. When combined, they create a superheated blast that shoots out at over 100 degrees Celsius. Predators like frogs, birds, and even humans get a nasty surprise. The beetle's defense mechanism is so effective, it's like carrying around its own mini flamethrower. So next time you see a beetle, give it some respect. You never know which one might pull off an explosive escape. If you're amazed by nature's little pyrotechnic, hit that thumbs up and share the excitement. Until next time, keep exploring the wild wonders of our world.